Jakim stuyts WWE action figure unboxing from eBay right here on Jakim stuyts, the WWE action figure collector YouTube channel. Jakim stuyts WWE action figure unboxing from eBay. I did my first ever eBay purchase. Alright, it's gotta be Kane in the zombies. I really wanted this one because I'm collecting all of the Kane figures and I really like this one. That's the back of it, so it's like, it's gotta be Kane in the zombies. My first ever purchase from eBay and I'm very happy about it. Very good figure because I never got it at retail. And it cost me $104. Oh, $104. I was supposed to tell everybody that at the end of the show. Alright, it's the end of the show. It cost me $104. Thanks for watching, everybody. And that's my first purchase from eBay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And that is awesome. It's my favoritist, best one out of the set. Kane. That's gotta be Kane. And that's what I purchased from eBay. $104, pretty damn good. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for my next unboxing right here on Jakim stuyts, the WWE action figure collector YouTube channel.